Pzartech team is united in its vision that 3D printing needs a simplified and integrated approach to become mainstream and overcome its current obstacles. Our team is built to lead Pzartech to success with an expert in 3D technology, one talented software engineer, one audacious business developer. For the end user, getting 3D printed items is a hassle. Through a one-stop shop app including collaborative printing service and a reverse auction mechanism, the consumer accesses items printed conveniently, affordably, and locally. For designers, 3D printing is a risk. Their intellectual property is unprotected and can be easily stolen. Pzartech protects designers' IP by preventing the end user to access 3D files and by implementing solutions to secure the printing phase. As of now, the printer owner needs to be a rocket scientist to master this technology. Pzartech works on algorithms and various solutions to turn 3D printing into a breeze. Industrialization relies on scaling up production to generate productivity gains. Consequently, capital, population, and pollution are all concentrated, thus threatening social equilibrium and damaging ecosystems. A shift in paradigm is needed. 3D printing can produce any object, freeing us from the need to scale up. Production becomes viable anywhere. Items are produced on demand, free from industrial production, shipment, warehousing, and distribution constraints. No more waste. By protecting designers and assisting printer owners, Pzartech aims to stimulate local economy. By enabling everyone to print close to their homes for a reasonable price, Pzartech wants to bring the benefits of 3D printing to everyone's door. Help us make the first day of tomorrow the beginning of a revolution.